Good evening. Today is Monday, so we're going to do some math for Monday. Math. We take our M hand shapes, both hands. Signing hand is sort of on top. Palms are facing each other. And you're going to brush that signing hand on top of the non-dominant hand. Math. Number. We got our flat O's. We're going to have our one hand facing the other one, and they're going to touch, and then you're going to turn and touch again. Number. So your palms are, one palm's facing in and one palm's facing out, and then you just switch them. Number. Add. If you remember, the sign for more was this. Add is the same thing, except you're gonna start with like a bent 5 or 5 with your thumb forward a little bit, and then you're gonna end with that flat O in the more. Add. And it can be down here, it can be sideways. We have our math problems. Sometimes they're set up horizontally and sometimes they're set up vertically. So that add can be either way. Plus. Plus one hand and another one hand, and you just make that plus sign. Plus. Subtract. Remember the sign for withdraw. It's the same sign. Our non-dominant hand is out and palm facing to the side. Our signing hand has a 5 hand shape with our fingers bent, and then we're just going to take something away from that non-dominant hand. Subtract. Minus. Our non-dominant hand has that palm out, and our minus, our one hand, is going to look like a minus on top of it. Like this is a piece of paper and the minus is there. Multiply. Multiply is really weird. I don't know why it's this sign. But we're going to take our K's or our P's, however you want to say it, and they are going to face each other. So the palms are at the side. And then it's going to be like the sign for math. They're going to cross each other and hit as they do. Multiply. Divide. Our hands are almost like B's. They're 5s with our fingers together, and thumbs are together too. And then it's almost like the egg sign. Your signing hand is on top. Pinky hits the pointer of your non-dominant hand, and then they come down and away from each other. Divide. Like there's one thing dividing into two. Equal. We're going to have 5 hand shapes. Put our fingers together. Palms are facing each other, so at the sides. You're going to bend those fingers to make it look like, I don't even know what to say. It looks like a 7 almost, right? Your whole hand and your arm. And then you're going to touch those together. Equal. It's almost like a balance, and the hands are right at the same, so it's equal. Equation. An equation, it's a compound sign, and we're going to sign number. Sometimes there's number, sometimes there's not. Sentence. So we're going to take our middle and our thumb fingers and put them together as we pull our hands apart from each other. Sentence, and then end with equation. It's end with equal, sorry. So it's a sentence with an equal sign. Equation, or number equation. greater than, and less than. Have a variety of signs. I'm going to show you one way to do it that's easier for the younger kids and a little more clear, I think. So remember, the sign for equal, our bent fives with our fingers together are equal. Greater than is going to sit on top and then move up. Greater than. So it's like higher than the other number, right? Greater than. And less than, same thing, except our signing hand is down below and it is going to move down. Okay, so now we know our numbers, and if you have forgotten, you can go back and look at the number video and review. And now you can start signing your math problems. One tip for Asl Grammar, I already mentioned before that sometimes our math problems are vertical, up and down, and sometimes our math problems are horizontal, which is left to right. So you can do the same thing in sign. You can have 1 plus 2 equals 3 and have those numbers go up and down. Or you can have it go from left to right. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Either way. So have fun practicing your math. Quiz your ASL partners. And I will see you next time.